Hey everyone, welcome to Clean It with Rona and thank you for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to be tackling an area we use all the time but may not give it the TLC it needs, my floors. I will be vacuuming and steam mopping the living room, kitchen, laundry room, half bath, foyer, and master bedroom and bathroom, and also vacuuming the stairs. Whew, I know I just said a lot, but it was time, you all. This video should give you more than enough motivation to tackle an area in your home that may need some TLC. I want to invite you to prop up your tablet or turn up your television and clean it with me. On this channel, you will find organization, cleaning, and occasional decor videos. So if this interests you, please consider subscribing so you never miss a video. As you can see, I recorded this before Valentine's Day, so that is why you see hearts everywhere. I started my spring cleaning super early this year. Also, you will see some fashion outfit changes because I did this over the course of about 3 days. So yeah. I still wanna party with her. Oh, yeah. A few videos ago, I mentioned I had gotten the flu. So once I felt better, I had even more of a desire to deep clean my entire house than usual. I went to Walmart and bought this Steam Mop and vacuum. We already had a main vacuum and it is a heavy duty one, but I needed something more portable and easy to clean up everyday spills. I will link the ones I'm using in this video below in the description box. My thoughts on the carpet steamer. Once I got the hang of that, I really liked it. I think I was using and pushing the little button to make too much soap come out at once because I kind of ran out of water super fast, but once I got the hang of it, as you'll see later on in the video, I really liked it. I mean, it did a really good job. I could clearly tell that the carpet was steamed. The wetness dried fast. It was really good. Can't get enough, yeah, even when it don't fit right. Hey, I still wanna party with her. Even when it don't feel right, yeah. You know I'm a party with. Okay, so far, here are my thoughts on the Steam Mop. I really loved using it. It has like a little scrubber in the back so that if you have like a harder to clean spill, you can kind of just scrub as you are mopping. It was very easy to use and I got to clean a lot of the floors off of one reserve tank. It even came with like some little scented pads and then it smelled good. It made the floor smell good. It made like the area smell good where I was cleaning. You know I'm a party with her, yeah, yeah.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not.
And then my thoughts on this vacuum cleaner here. It was great. I mean, I've seen people using the Dyson V11s and 10s and all that, V1000s, you know, and I mean, that's, I'm sure, very good, but this was really good because it was only like $89 and it really does the job. I never really ran out of battery. And we actually wound up buying another one so that the girls could use it upstairs, and now they've taken more responsibility upstairs and vacuuming their area and their bathroom and everything as well. It's very lightweight and I mean, I really will say that it was worth the investment. Now here you see me cleaning up cat urine. So yeah, I wasn't expecting that, but I'm cleaning up that, and then I'm also just cleaning off the baseboards, because at least some of the baseboards, because those are things that we tend to forget about as well. And that was my main point, is trying to start dealing with the forgotten about areas in our home.
I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident
Now introducing not Jordans, not Adidas, but these are the newest, coolest shoes out on the market. My Mop shoes. So that I don't track dirt all over the floor. Aren't they just adorable? But yeah, I got these from Amazon. I just was very concerned. I didn't want to walk around barefoot, but then I also did not want to track any type of dirt all over the floor. So look, I'm matching my mop. I'm about to get started.
Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. I ran away from heartbreak. Got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty.
If you are still watching, thank you so much. But I have a question for you. When is the last time you deep cleaned your floors? When is the last time you deep cleaned your floors? So please drop that in the comments below.
Nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So then you came around and you, but I shut it down. So you took it down, and I'm not surprised.
Over here having fun. Not really, but doing the much needed things before the weekend. And look at these shoes though. Look at these. These are better than Jordan. I can't believe I'm saying that.
Baby, it had to be you. I didn't.
So not sure if you could hear what I was saying, but I was basically comparing these little mop shoes to Jordans, and then I said, I can't believe I'm saying that. And that is because I am a sneakerhead. I love Jordans, and you will be able to see that in a later video when I declutter my closet. So coming up, I'm getting ready to show a real video of when I was cleaning one of the worst spots that we had in our foyer. And you'll be able to see just how wonderful this Steam Mop is.
But I needed time to see clearly.
I love how it can rotate. And then it needs to get the job done. Now look at this. This is like one of our worst spots here. Look at this. Watch. Already almost done. Fine.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, your pretty want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need.
The cool thing about these little mop shoes is that they are machine washable. You just plop them in the washing machine and go.
It's hard to keep up. You got that beauty and all the brain. Yeah, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me. Cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. If I might say, you light up my day so bright. You show me your way, and I'm no match for you. No, I'm no match for you. Ooh, I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need.
Even when it don't feel right.
The thing I also like about this Steam Mop is it does really well in tight spaces. It can pivot so that it can fit in those weird areas like behind the toilet or on the side of the toilet or whatever.
You know I'm a party with.
Now here, as you can see, I had to cheat a little bit. I was trying to clean up so much, I had to use our little robot vacuum to kind of help me out. I need help a sister out.
She can wait until the weekend. She wants off the deep end, telling me to bring the stuff I like. I don't wanna let her down, so I'm telling her yes. Though I'm kinda down from the pain in my chest, but I'm putting her to sign now. I'ma feel her right now. Happy from the stuff I know she likes. I've been trying my luck every day of the week, yeah. With my baby, what's up? Ay, always down every week, yeah. Know I love her too much, but I just can't get enough. She's slipping through the cracks, call my bluff. She know what's up, can't get enough, yeah. Even when it don't feel right.
This is what I was saying when I learned how to be more efficient with the steam vacuum. So I was able to get more done off of one tank.
You know I'm a party with her. We be chillin' all through Wednesday, slept until it's Thursday. She don't wanna leave me, not just yet. Told me all about last Friday when she went all crazy.
Here are a couple of tips. It is recommended that you clean your carpet every 12 to 18 months, but I would suggest for a family that maybe you want to try that every 6 months to 12 months. And also for vacuuming, it really just kind of depends, but we do weekly, but sometimes we have to spot clean daily, so it just really depends. I hope this video gave you all of the deep cleaning motivation that you needed to tackle an area in your home that needed some TLC. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe so that you can see more videos because I have some great ones coming up in the future. It was fun hanging out with you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Even when it don't feel